Imagine a bustling factory floor alive with activity. The air is filled with the sounds of machinery, the clatter of tools and the hum of conveyor belts. Workers move with purpose, each one a cog in the vast machine of production. Conveyor belts hum, sparks fly from welding torches, and robots move with precision. This is the heartbeat of modern manufacturing, where efficiency and technology converge to create a seamless flow of production. This is the scene at countless manufacturing hubs across China, a country that has become the world's factory floor. With its vast resources and relentless drive for innovation, China has positioned itself as a leader in global manufacturing. Now picture a different scene, a cluster of small workshops, some lacking basic infrastructure, struggling to keep pace with global demands. Here, the tools are often rudimentary, and the processes are labor-intensive, reflecting a different stage of industrial development. This is the reality for many in India, a nation striving to emulate China's success. Despite the challenges, there is a spirit of determination and resilience among the workers, who are eager to improve and innovate. These contrasting images encapsulate the stark difference between the manufacturing prowess of China and India. While China boasts state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technology, India is still grappling with basic infrastructure and resource constraints. Both countries, home to over 1 billion people each, embarked on journeys of economic liberalization around the same time. In the late 20th century, both nations opened their doors to global markets, aiming to transform their economies and improve the lives of their citizens. Yet, their paths have diverged significantly when it comes to manufacturing. China's rapid industrialization and investment in infrastructure have propelled it to the forefront of global manufacturing, while India has faced numerous hurdles in its quest to catch up. China has become a global manufacturing powerhouse, while India is still finding its footing. The contrast is stark, but it also highlights the potential for growth and development in India. With the right policies and investments, India could one day rival China's manufacturing capabilities. The numbers tell a compelling story. They reveal the stark contrast between two of the world's most populous nations. China's manufacturing output dwarfs India's, creating a significant economic divide. In 2023, China's manufacturing value added stood at a staggering $4 trillion, while India lagged behind at $400 billion. This tenfold difference underscores the vast gap in their industrial capabilities. This disparity is not just about size, it reflects deeper structural differences in their economies. Analysts point to various factors, including infrastructure, investment in technology, and government policies. China's dominance extends beyond sheer output. It has invested heavily in advanced manufacturing technologies, making it a global leader in high-tech production. It boasts a highly diversified manufacturing sector, producing everything from smartphones and laptops to cars and airplanes. This diversification allows China to be resilient and adaptable to global market changes. India, on the other hand, specializes in a narrower range of products, with a focus on textiles, pharmaceuticals, and auto components. While these industries are significant, they do not match the breadth of China's manufacturing capabilities. This gap in diversification highlights the challenges India faces in catching up with its neighbor. To bridge this divide, India would need to invest in infrastructure, technology, and education, fostering an environment that encourages innovation and industrial growth. One of the key reasons behind China's manufacturing dominance lies in its robust infrastructure. Over the past few decades, China has invested heavily in building world-class ports, roads, railways, and power grids. These investments have significantly reduced transportation costs and improved logistics, making Chinese manufacturing highly efficient. In contrast, India's infrastructure has lagged behind. Congested ports, inadequate road networks, and unreliable power supply have hampered the growth of its manufacturing sector. The lack of efficient infrastructure increases transportation time and costs, making Indian goods less competitive in the global market. Government policies have also played a crucial role in shaping the manufacturing landscapes of China and India. China's success can be attributed in part to its pragmatic and pro-business policies. The Chinese government has created special economic zones, offered tax incentives, and streamlined regulations to attract foreign investment and boost manufacturing. India, in the past, adopted a more protectionist approach which discouraged foreign investment and stifled innovation. However, in recent years, India has undertaken significant policy reforms such as the Make in India initiative, aimed at attracting investment and promoting domestic manufacturing. Section 5. The productivity puzzle. Labor productivity is another critical factor where China has a significant edge over India. Chinese workers on average are more productive than their Indian counterparts. This difference in productivity stems from several factors, including better education and training, access to advanced technology, and a more competitive work environment. India, with its vast pool of young workers, has the potential to significantly enhance its labor productivity. Investing in education and skills development, along with creating a more conducive work environment, will be crucial for India to bridge the productivity gap with China. Section 6. The supply chain symphony. China's success in manufacturing is also deeply intertwined with its mastery of supply chain integration. Over the years, China has built a vast and intricate network of suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors, all working in sync to ensure the smooth flow of goods and services. This level of supply chain integration allows Chinese manufacturers to source components and raw materials efficiently, reduce lead times, and respond quickly to changing market demands. India, on the other hand, is still in the early stages of developing a robust and integrated supply chain. Section 7. The innovation engine. China's rise as a manufacturing giant has been fueled by a relentless focus on research and development. The Chinese government has made significant investments in R&D, encouraging innovation in key industries such as robotics, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. India, while making strides in areas like information technology and pharmaceuticals, still lags behind China in overall R&D investment. Increasing R&D spending, fostering a culture of innovation, and strengthening intellectual property rights will be crucial for India to become a global manufacturing leader. Section 8. China's challenges on the horizon. Despite its dominance, China's manufacturing sector is not without its challenges. Rising labor costs, environmental regulations, and increasing competition from other manufacturing hubs are putting pressure on China's manufacturing competitiveness. The Chinese government is aware of these challenges and is taking steps to address them. Moving up the value chain, focusing on high-tech manufacturing, and transitioning towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly model are some of the key priorities for China's manufacturing sector in the coming years. Section 9. India's moment in the making. While China faces new challenges, India stands at a pivotal moment. The global economic landscape is shifting, and India is uniquely positioned to seize new opportunities. With its vast pool of young workers, a growing domestic market, and a government committed to promoting manufacturing, India has the potential to become a major player in the global manufacturing landscape. The country's demographic dividend, with a large proportion of its population being young and dynamic, is a significant advantage. Initiatives like Make in India and Digital India are steps in the right direction. These programs aim to transform India into a global manufacturing hub and digitally empowered society, respectively. However, for India to truly realize its manufacturing potential, it needs to address its infrastructural bottlenecks, improve labor productivity, and create a more conducive environment for businesses to thrive. This includes investing in modern infrastructure, enhancing the skills of its workforce, and simplifying regulatory frameworks to attract more foreign and domestic investments. The road ahead is challenging, but the opportunities are immense. By leveraging its strengths and addressing its weaknesses, India can chart a path towards becoming a global manufacturing powerhouse. India's manufacturing journey has just begun. The enthusiasm and dedication of its workforce, combined with strategic government initiatives, can propel the nation to new heights. What are your thoughts on India's potential in manufacturing? Share your views in the comments below. Your insights and opinions are valuable as we explore this exciting journey together.